Hello, Tara here. Working with the Summer Lovin' kit from Mercy Tiara today. And I wanted to try to do something a little different. Normally I just, matte, center, blah, blah, blah. Thought I might try doing kind of like a little, this kind of dealio with the papers, and I'm not going to mat it. Just settle down. It's not going to happen very often because I like to mat my stuff. But this is kind of what I'd had picked out from the page kit building video. I grabbed a few more pieces that I thought I might use. And then I was looking at the sequins, and I thought, I happened to glance at the bloom ones from a couple of months back, and I thought I'd pull them out too, because I might have an idea. I'm not sure if it'll work or not, but we'll see. And then I've got the florals here in case we want to use some of those. So what I'm thinking is, I'm not going to do any measuring. Oh, geez, there's a fly in here. Elise, there's a fly in here. Okay, so I'm going to use the yellow as the background. And then lay my pieces on top. So I'm going to cut this branding strip off of the top of this God, this is a pretty color, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to, how did I have it now? I really like this color, so I kind of want it to be the bulk of it. I'm going to have this piece at the bottom. And then I wanted just a little ray going, say, this way. Oh, you know what I should do though, is take it kind of from the center. So if this, fly. I apologize if the fly lands on the camera again. Okay, so we're gonna go from the center. That way it kind of will be somewhat, oh, and now it's moving. Good deal. Good deal. Okay, that's the middle point anyway, right? Ah, dear. Oh, and now the cat's in here. Perfect. That's what happens when I don't shut my door. He's gonna start being a pain in the neck very, very shortly. He was a jerk last night. He could not contain himself. He just kept bugging and wanting out in the middle of the night. And we have coyotes, so in this area, I don't want him to get eaten. All right, jack that up, good but good. Where's the scissor? Here's a scissor. Okay. Soup stoops professionnel. Okay, so that's gonna be, let's have a look. So, I mean, I could save some of this yellow from in behind, but I think I'll just leave it. Okay, so I'm gonna have like that. And then I wanted this chunk here to be floral. So what's the easiest way to do that? This and this. And then I did want one chunk in the middle there that would be yellow. So say like, how was I figuring that? Oh no, it was going to take off another piece of this pink and then have the yellow showing underneath. So trim this piece off. This is kind of a technique if you don't like measuring, because I know a lot of people get really what's the word, kind of frozen when they try and do something with angles, and you don't have to make it that difficult. You just have to kind of plan ahead and use pencil so you can erase it. There we go. Okay, where are we at? So like this and like that and like that. And I wanted one more chunk of floral over here, I think. So there's a chunk, let's see, goes like that, right? Obviously. And then, so the yellow piece is here to there. So we'd want the floral just to like this. And then cut this piece away. And then decide how big of a wedge we want for this floral piece. Let's do a bit of a bigger one there. There. And so be like this, that, and did I take it from the right? What did I do? No, that's not the piece I want. Where's the here I am saying how easy this is, and I'm making a mess of it. Where's the, oh, I took it from, what did I do? Oh, this is it's the same front and back. Okay, well, that makes it confusing. All right, so is it this? No. Oh, yeah. There. Okay, let's put these elsewhere so we don't confuse ourselves. So I was gonna mat it in this and have it kind of here-ish. I was going to put my title kind of here and do some tags up here. I don't think I'll use that. I think that'll be distracting from the rest of it. The other tag I found was this one that says, I wonder what it would be like to live in a world where it was always June. I took this in June, so that's kind of a good one. I would like to incorporate that somewhere. I don't know if it was meant to come like this. It only has one of the top corners cut. So I think I'm going to cut the other one just because it will bother me. Okay, so that's where we're at that way. This one says nothing but blue skies. I had this pulled, a great place to be, but I don't think I'm going to use that. And then I don't want to overdo it with the camera, so either this one or this one. Maybe this one shows up a little bit better. What is... Hold on. Thought the dog had gotten into something off the counter and it was just the cat and the dog playing. Okay, that little guy might work, but it's pretty small, right? I think I might use a couple of these like to kind of, so at first I was thinking I might do like a ledge, right? But I don't know if it's necessary. I think it kind of might take away from it. So I might just do like a kind of a pseudo ledge here with some of the tags. And then it gives it a bit of a resting spot for the title. Not that I mind going up on the photo. In fact, I probably will put the typewriter key letters on the photo and then have Lovely Day kind of straddling the photo and these pieces. And then what I was thinking I would do is, I started separating these out. I was thinking I would do confetti, but kind of do it like a tone on tone. So have the yellow on the yellow and kind of this orangey color on the I'm going to call that abandoned coral. To me, that's what the color is. But I think this one might work better. It's got different sizes of the yellow, whereas this one just has the big sequins. But there's different sizes of confetti for the yellow, so I could jazz up this area with just the yellow, and I could use the this coral color here. And then there's pink and blue florals that I could use on the floral paper. And I think I might just have it kind of tight to the photo. That's my plan anyway. So I won't make you watch all of that, but I'll do some of this. I'm going to distress these. I'm going to sand my photo and get some stuff down and come back and do the finishing touches with you. Be right back. Well, I got puttering away and I finished it. It took like no time at all. I think the stuff that took the most time was putting on the confetti mix. And I am digging how it turned out. Doing it kind of like a monochromatic tone on tone dealio. Really happy with it. Really, really, really. And yeah. Not much to say about that, other than I love how it turned out. And if you try this kind of situation, let me know. I'd like to see what you do. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by and spending a little time with me. We'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.